So I spent a few hours on the mate's MK4 today. As you can see, there's still loads to do, but battery is all mounted in the boot in kind of the only real spot you can kind of get to, still get the lid on and off. It's still a pain in the ass. You've got to take the box out to get a battery out, but I've tried to make it as easy as I can. Made up new earth leads, new power leads. They're all run through the car. Down around here, along that nice little groove they've got on the side there. And then up into a bulkhead plug. It's high enough that it'll be under the sound deadening once it goes in. And then it just goes through a little bulkhead connector there, so all the positives that would have gone to the battery, which was just around about here, will just go to there now. Heater's all in, all secure. There was a new set of gaskets in the in one of the boxes, so that's all in. Wipers all in, engine bay looms all in. Guards are on. Hey, look at that, it's starting to look like a car again. Lights are in, indicators are on, bumpers in, grills in. There's still loads of clips missing. You know, I think this is the hardest part about this whole car, is that there's I thought both indicators were there, but there were two driver's side ones, so I'll have to get Carl to get a passenger side one. The hardest part about this whole thing is that there's not enough screws and bolts. All the clips are missing. So, you know, if I'd taken apart, or if Carl had taken apart, it would have been a lot easier, but it was taken apart nearly a decade ago and it's not all there. I'm trying to find screws. All of these were all there in a little lid of a spray can. They were all there, but little clips that hold the grills on, all that sort of stuff, they're all missing. There's literally one of those formula jars full of screws and bolts and all that, and that's it for a whole car. That's it. I took more out of my nephew's engine bay yesterday, but it's getting there, starting to look like a car again. So it ended up that we have two driver's side indicators, so I still need to get Carl to get a left hand side one. These grills that go in the front as well, if anyone knows how they're held on, that'll be great. I don't know if they're little clips or screws or what, but if you know where those go, oh sorry, not where they go, how they're held on, that'll be brilliant. Or even show me a picture of what the clips look like and I might see. But I think next step will be under dash, sound deadening, finish off the wiring and go from there. But she's starting to look like a car again, and like I say, the biggest pain in the ass is that there's no fucking screws or anything for it. There's just nothing. So having to find things, having to figure out what clips are for it, it's fucking crazy. Cheers. We'll get there.